Good morning. That was all I had.
Good morning. Today we are going to finish up cleaning up this concrete. Yesterday I was able to get most of the thin set off the off the concrete in the kitchen after removing the tile. And then I cleaned everything up so that I could see what still needed to be finished, and we're going to do that today.
I get to help today, which is exciting. I'm gonna help take the baseboards off, and then once all the thin set is up and the dust has settled, we're gonna start dusting and cleaning everything that has made such a big mess. We're gonna start here, or Jonah is going to start here. You can see there's just a little bit of thin set right there. I think the machine can't reach that area, so he's going to be using the chisel and the air compressor to get that out.
It's so hard to not be claustrophobic.
I'm going into battle!
Yesterday we were able to finish prepping the concrete in the kitchen and the living room, which was great, and it made a huge mess. Despite our best efforts to keep the dust down, it got everywhere. So we've been cleaning up basically most of yesterday afternoon, and I just wanted to show you how bad the dust got in the house. So here's the wood that we just finished staining with the polyurethane, and now I'm gonna vacuum this dust off of it. Needless to say, we've got our work cut out for us as we finish cleaning up. The plan was originally to use some tarps to tape off the section of the house that we were working on. However, on Thursday, so a couple days ago, when I started breaking up the tile in the kitchen, I didn't realize how much dust just breaking all that up would make. And by the time I realized there was already dust everywhere. So we ended up not taping off anything because we're gonna have to clean everything anyway. And so we just finished Friday, and then now we just have some work to do to clean everything up. Terry spent some time cleaning up the floors again using a mop and her Crosswave. So the concrete floors are clean now in the kitchen. And today I'm going to start laying the Schluter in the kitchen so that we can put down the tile. I've already pre-cut a piece to fit in this spot here between the dining room and the kitchen. And now I'm going to install it. Hi, Terry.
shift it a little bit. Is that okay? You're welcome. Thank you for watching today's video. If you would like to support us, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.